Hello and welcome to another video by Delve AI. Today we will be looking into the topic of employee segmentation. What is employee segmentation? Employee segmentation is the method by which employees are segmented into different groups based on shared characteristics and preferences. HR teams use employee segmentation to enhance the employee experience, and it aids in creating employee personas. Why is employee segmentation important? Employee segmentation helps you to understand your workforce better. Segmenting employees has various benefits such as personalized and scalable support, resource allocation, workforce planning, and better diversity and inclusion in an organization. Employee segmentation can be done in different ways. Employees are segmented based on the jobs they do, performance, skill sets, location, engagement, and personas. Looking into employee segmentation models, there are mainly four types. In the demographic model, employees are segmented based on demographic characteristics such as seniority, job function, and location. One of the uses of demographic segmentation is in identifying benefit segments. However, caution should be taken to avoid demographic stereotyping. Demographics help in representing your employees' backgrounds and developmental influences. Next is the theme-based segmentation model. Theme-based segmentation refers to the grouping of employees based on a recurring theme. Examples of themes can be work-life balance concerns, career aspirations, team collaboration, or themes related to innovation and creativity. Themes can be identified from employee surveys to uncover employee needs. Themes having the greatest impact on engagement and retention are usually prioritized. Talent segmentation helps in refining recruitment strategies. It helps to attract and engage better candidates. The talent pool in a company can be categorized into strategic and non-strategic employees. Strategic employees can be further classified into high-performing, employees with critical skills, and so on. Strategic employees are the ones who have a great impact on sales, growth, and product development of a company. Another category can be employees who perform consistently and satisfactorily. Even though their performance is up to par, they may not be the agents of change or decision-makers in the organization. Then there are employees who are poor performers. These employees would need support in the form of training or internal relocation. Scarcity of skills and business impact are two key factors to be considered in talent segmentation. Here the main focus is on performance in the organization rather than the individual. The needs-based segmentation model. Here value propositions are given to employees based on their needs and wants. This depends on how their roles add value and urgency to the organization. Further sub-segmentation can be done based on characteristics like responsibilities, type of work, and job level. This model helps to retain employees and keep the workforce robust. Employee segmentation is a major game changer. Employees come in all shapes and sizes, and companies need to recognize these differences to tailor employee programs and benefits based on segmentation. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.